I hate to sound like a broken record, but you see this support post? I know it's got a technical word that I'm coming down. Guess how it looks at the bottom? Well, we're about to find out. Oh yeah! And then this is the mud sill or mud cap. This is just the thing that it rests on. Oh, here's a better look. Support post. I'll go back a little ways here so you can see. Oh yeah! And then this here is the mud sill, and look how much it gives. I got some good rot. I'm not going to kick that. That is brutal. It just goes a little ways because the rock is right there. But the support is rotten. The thing that connects the support to the bottom of the beam is rotten. And the beam itself, oh man, it's starting to get rotten too. Not that it's supporting a really long railway trestle or anything. Oh yeah, it is. Pardon all the sarcasm. If you have a sarcasm filter, you should have used it when you watched this video.